Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back. It's Dr. Bove, aka Captain Crunch. So, tonight we'll be adjusting Jen. Jen's been a patient for a long time, years, and just like with anything, life gets in the way. So she was great coming consistently once a week, once every other week, but then life gets in the way. But she came back and brought her son, which we'll be adjusting next, which is amazing. Anyway, so give me the rundown. How have you been?
I've been doing pretty well, other than my lower back is a little bit agitated, but I'm very active and yeah.
She's a mom. She just like muscles through,
Yes, yep.
Things got to get done. It's got to get done. So,
exactly.
But I'm honored as always to have the opportunity to serve her son, and everybody else. So thank you for tuning in, and thank you for subscribing and watching these videos. It's really been so cool. So no pain down the legs, no numbness, no pins and needles,
Nope.
None of that. Straight across the low back.
It is across the lower back, but more focused on my right side.
Okay, all right. How's your head? How's sinuses? How's everything else?
My neck occasionally does hurt.
Okay.
But sinuses are doing okay.
Cool. We're going to check everything.
Okay.
All right. Lay facing down, please.
Okay.
Beautiful. Where the pelvis meets the spine, that's your sacroiliac joint. Sacrum is in the center. Iliac crest is this piece of bone right here. And they form a joint. And it's supposed to move. It doesn't move a whole lot, but it's supposed to move when we walk. Now, walking is great exercise, and staying moving. I love that you stay active. It's very important. So that will keep the joint moving. But if it's not lined up ideally, over time it could get inflamed and irritated, and then ultimately it'll start to hurt. Yeah. This feels tight to me up here, like right behind that shoulder blade. What else has been going on?
I've just been doing a lot.
Yeah.
Like you said, as a mom, I just go. The world has to keep spinning.
Definitely. You guys are tough. Okay, let's try to rotate this. So deep breath in, then let it all the way out. Perfect. Whoa. All right, deep breath, hold it in. Yeah, that was beautiful. Perfect. You can breathe. Yeah, rest. Okay, turn on your side facing me this way. Let's do the better side first. Perfect. That was perfect. All right, go ahead on your back. Take a break. Are you Brazilian?
Nope.
No? My wife is half Brazilian. Yeah, right there.
Mm-hmm.
Great. Wow. That's perfect. So healthy. I love the noise,
Yeah.
They don't call me Captain Crunch for nothing. But the noise is a sign. That's a sign of movement of the segments. And arthritic change, that wear and tear in the joints, is like glue. It wants to fixate, stick the joints together. It almost feels like someone threw sand in your joints, it's like crunchy, you know. And that's that process where it's trying to kind of stick together. Well, the enemy of that is motion, adjustments, you know. So that's why I love it. Perfect. Okay, turn it, face me this way. Oh, that was beautiful. All right, come on up. Have a seat, hang out.
I feel better already.
You're the best. You know, I thank God every day. I am truly blessed. You know, I get to see you, I get to see your son, I get to see all these other cool people. And it's really a, I don't know, wonderful profession, wonderful vocation. So some muscle work. You know, I can feel this tension up here. You got broad shoulders and you got a lot on them. How's the little one?
She's doing well. She's intrigued by
Awesome.
coming to see her brother get adjusted, but also feels nervous, I think, when she hears the cracks. But I'm like, it feels really good.
Yeah. We had the craziest thing. You know, we have this super cute 3-year-old, and mom, fantastic patient. Her older son, he's only 5 years old. He's going to first grade. He loves getting adjusted. But the little one, the girl, she came in, oh my goodness. And just because of like past experiences with doctors, I guess with vaccinations or who knows, she was, I mean, I'm used to crying every now. I got 4 kids, you know, things happen. But, this poor little girl, she was so terrified. She just freaked out.
Yeah.
You know, even when I'm adjusting her little brother, her older brother, who's, you know, just a year or 2 older, she just freaked out. It was really like, made my heart hurt a little, you know.
Well, what I do truly love about you is that when you treat my son Roman, you look at him and you talk to him. And in my experience, like going to other doctors and pediatricians, they look at me and they ask me, but he's the patient and you truly treat him.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's amazing. I love that.
Perfect. All right, you are ready to rock and roll.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for coming in, you know, as always.
Yep.